Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your YouTube profile picture. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you design a YouTube profile picture? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to design a YouTube profile picture icon in your Canva account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and YouTube is a part of that, you know it's important to have consistent branding. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. Also, with this process, you can do this with a free Canva account. Of course, if you want access to other templates, sometimes they do have paid options, but that's up to you to choose. So here I am in my Canva account, and this is the home screen. It's going to show all of the recent designs that I have. And in order to create a YouTube profile icon, what you're going to do is click right here in the search bar and just type in YouTube profile and then click continue. Okay, guys, once you do that, you're going to see this section, Canva templates. You can see there's over 20,000 that match that description. So just click on see all. Okay, guys, so here you can see all of the templates available for a YouTube profile icon. So most of these are free and these are pretty creative. If you see one that you like that has a crown next to it, you do need to upgrade to the pro version of Canva. But if you just want to use a free one, you can go ahead and click on all filters right here. And then here on this menu, go ahead and scroll to the bottom and click on free and then apply. Okay, so as you can see, all of these are free. So these are really quite creative. So just scroll through and then see which one kind of fits with your branding. So let's see here. You can pay attention to the size. So this one's a little bit smaller, but this one takes up more of the frame. And this one takes up less of the box. However, you get this design back here. So let's see here. This one looks pretty good. So let me go ahead and just click on this one. Okay, so once you've made a decision, the cool thing about Canva is once you choose a YouTube profile icon template, it's going to show you other ones that are similar. So this one looks pretty good, the yellow one, but you might want to scroll down and see what other ones. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and stick with this yellow one right here. So you're just going to click on customize this template. Okay, so here we are in the editor. So the first thing I'll normally do is just click right here on the top, and then I'll just rename this YouTube profile icon template. So make money Anthony profile picture. Okay. And then the next thing you want to do is go ahead and just click in here. So the thing is with these templates, it's basically like setting up a Facebook page. So you can go ahead and make different adjustments. So the first thing obviously is this is not me. So I'm going to go ahead and change this picture, and how you're going to do that is just click onto the picture. And then here on the left, you want to click on upload. And then here you're going to have the different images that you have uploaded onto Canva. So if you don't have one here, you can click on upload files and upload from your computer. Once you upload it from computer, it'll be stored here in your Canva. And then you can just grab the picture and then just drag it right over. So you can see he automatically disappears, and then I can just drop myself right in there. Okay, so now I'm in the middle. So this one is really a basic YouTube profile thumbnail. So oftentimes you can go ahead and change the background colors. But if you want to go ahead and add in extra features, you can do that by clicking over here on elements. All right, once you click on elements, then you're going to see this kind of drop down and just scroll through until you see something that looks kind of cool. So maybe you want to add a sticker. So you can go through here and see these stickers. So maybe I like ramen. So I can actually just grab this and just drag it right on over and drop it right there. So obviously that bowl of ramen is really big. So you can go ahead and resize the feature and just shrink it down. So maybe I want the little bowl of ramen right over here. Maybe I have a channel about ramen or noodle. And then here on the left side in elements, you can go ahead and continue scrolling through. So maybe you want some of these little patterns or stickers over here. You can go ahead and click here and see all. Okay, so here's all these various stickers. So we'll click here, and this guy looks pretty cool. So we'll just grab him and just drag him right on over. So maybe we have him over here singing to me. Shrink him down, and then maybe we'll put him up here. And you can also adjust your YouTube profile icon by right clicking on the image. And then maybe for him, we're going to go down to layer, and then we're going to send him backwards behind my picture. So it looks like he's kind of hiding behind my picture. So that looks pretty good to me. So let me go ahead and show you right here. You can add more text. So we'll click here on add text and then add text box. Okay, so now we have a text box there. So maybe my channel is about traveling or something like that. We can just go live your dream, or maybe I'll make this all capitals, live your dream. Okay. And then here at the top, we can go ahead and make it bold by clicking up here. Okay. That looks good. And we can change the font by clicking up here, and it's only going to change that if it has that purple box around it. So as you can see, we are definitely editing the word. So we can change the font. This one looks pretty good. Level up, or maybe this font, lazy dog. Okay. And once we have that, we can go ahead and resize it. So you just hover over it and then grab the little white dot over it, and then we'll make that a little bigger. Okay. And we'll just drag it right there. Okay. So once you have your YouTube profile picture ready, you want to go ahead and click up here on the top right to the share button. Once you click there, you want to click on this button here, download. All right. So once you're here, you want to go ahead and change the file type. Go ahead and change it over to a JPG or a PNG. All right, now we can go ahead and download. Okay, now it's been downloaded, so we're just going to go ahead and open it up. All right, and there you have it. So now we have a new YouTube profile icon that we created in Canva, and this was a free YouTube profile template. So now we just need to go over to our YouTube channel and upload it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a YouTube profile icon for free in your Canva account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.